Sydney, Reuters. A relief rally swept across Asian share markets on Monday after the latest U.S. jobs report managed to impress with its strength while also easing fears of inflation and faster rate hikes, a neat feat that whetted risk appetites globally. MISIA Euro Trademark's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan firmed 0.4%. Japan Euro Trademark's Nikkei jumped 2%, while South Korea rose 0.8%. Australia Euro Trademark's main index climbed 0.9% and E-mini futures for the S&P 500 added another 0.23%. Inflationary worries faded on Friday after U.S. data showed non-farm payrolls jumped by 313,000 jobs last month, but annual growth in average hourly earnings slowed to 2.6% after a spike in January. The pullback in wages tempered speculation the Federal Reserve would project 4 rate hikes, or dot plots, at its policy meeting next week, instead of the current 3. A Euro-ETH release threaded the stock needle perfectly, exhibiting strong overall net job adds alongside an increase in the participation rate and tepid wages suggesting labor demand is being met by new entrants into the workforce, a Euro said analysts at JP Morgan in a note. A Euro in reality though the market is probably reading too much into a single jobs report, a Euro they cautioned. A Euro a fourth dot on March 21 may have been averted, but the labor market is increasingly demonstrating evidence of tightness and this will inevitably translate into upside wage pressure, a Euro. For now, Wall Street was happy to take the data at face value and the Dow jumped 1.77%, while the S&P 500 gained 1.74% and the Nasdaq 1.79%. On the week, the S&P rose 3.5%, the Dow 3.25% and Nasdaq 4.2%. The jobs news likewise lifted riskier currencies, including the Mexican peso and Canadian and Australian dollars, while weighing on the safe haven yen. Those cross-currents left the US dollar a shade higher against a basket of currencies at 90.107. The euro was last up a fraction at $1.2310, sandwiched between support at $1.2270 and resistance at $1.2296. The dollar edged ahead on the yen to 106.88, having bounced 0.5% on Friday. Investors also trimmed holdings of yen last week on news U.S. President Donald Trump was prepared to meet with North Korea a Euro Trademark's Kim Jong-un, a potential breakthrough in nuclear tensions in the region. U.S. officials on Sunday defended Trump a Euro Trademark's decision, saying the move was not just for show and not a gift to Pyongyang. The mix of brisk U.S. economic growth and restrained inflation was a positive one for most commodities, with industrial metals and oil performing well. Spot gold was steady on Monday at $1,323.14 an ounce. Brent crude futures rose 16 cents to $65.65 a barrel, after surging almost 3% on Friday. U.S. crude futures rose 11 cents to $62.15 a barrel.